Last time on Make It Pop.
The acting auditions are over. We totally blew it.
Father, if he finds out I'm in a band, he'll send me home.
I'm not doing the interview without the star.
I had the privilege of meeting a hot, new, up-and-coming band.
Kendrick Prep's best kept secret, XOIQ.
Yeah!
Let's start with the lovely and talented choreographer of the group, who tells me she hails from...
Trust me, you won't want to miss this fun band at Club Rai Rai. There's top-notch talent coming from McKendrick Prep. Who knew?
I believe it's my cue to go nuts. Don't they get excited in Brooklyn?
They do, but it's more like this. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Corky. Earth to Corky.
I think Corky missed the memo.
Corky, you're the only soon-to-be pop star I know who isn't excited to hear her concert promoted by one of the top music podcasts in the world.
Give her a second. Her comp to bananas ratio is much higher than yours.
It's my dad. Fame is the last thing he'd want for me.
Aw. Don't worry, Corky. I can be famous enough for both of us. Everyone is talking about our show tonight.
This is too much attention.
There's no such thing as too much attention, Corky. You're under a lot of stress right now, so I'm going to pretend you didn't say that.
Sonny, can you autograph my binder? And my pencil case? And my yogurt?
Okay, that's too much attention. You said your dad loves you performing.
But being in a pop band is not what he wants me to be.
What does he want you to be?
The successor to his business empire.
Unless his empire is piñatas and water slides, that sounds less than fun.
If I don't impress him, he'll send me back to China. I have to get to class.
Hey, I've been working on my designs for the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Oh, goody, let me see. Wow, these are so wild. Ah, even wilder.
No way! The best designer in the world, He Jung-ko, has a pop-up store today. No way I'm missing that.
We have a show tonight, remember? One of my band members is going shopping, and the other refuses to perform. This group depresses me.
Are you sure you don't want to autograph my yogurt? It's fruit bottom.
Okay, what the heck?
Split infinitives, when a word splits two halves of a verb. For example, these students blatantly ignore me. I absolutely should have chosen another profession.
Guys, you totally have to be there for tonight's performance.
You've just split an infinitive.
Can you please stop learning for 1 second?
Seeing He Jung-ko is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, but I'll be back in plenty of time for our show.
I still don't see how I can perform with my father here.
How would he know? It's not like he's there every time you turn around. Oh boy.
Hello, Corky.
Everyone act normal. Pay no attention to having a famous billionaire in our midst. And don't dwell on the fact that your every action could directly impact our ability to get funding.
I'm just auditing my daughter's classes. Pretend I'm not even here.
You're the man. Pretend he's not here to do the show. Problem solved.
Next.
Oh no! I'm trapped!
Save me.
Look! A way out!
A, B, C, D,
Seriously?
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Mr. Stark.
Q, R.
Mr. Anderson, what can I do for you?
I just brought you a blueberry muffin and a soy latte extra hot double foam. Remember you once mentioned being lactose intolerant.
I am, but I take my latte, no foam.
Gotcha. Oh, it's hot foam. Those auditions? How do they look?
Every child has his or her own gifts.
So you haven't made a decision? Well, if you're still looking for a lead, I know a guy. It's me. The guy is me. Please don't talk with your mouth full, especially if you're going to say no.
Oh, nice top. Ooh, amazing dress. Oh, I'm not a... but you think I'm a... Yes, I am a model. A model that wears Hey Junko's original designs. Awesome jacket. If only I could be a part of this world.
This is how it tastes. Every color of the rainbow, I'm magic in my show. So this is how it feels to get everyone talking. The big reveal. It's a crazy situation. Look at my creations. Absolute fascination, a runway sensation. This is with my friends, the hottest ticket in town. Everyone will attend. Oh, this is where it goes in all the magazines, and everyone knows. Now I am here, where I'm meant to be. I'm meant to be. Show of the year, a new style queen. Boom, boom on the scene.
Could be a part of this world. I just need to go for it. Oh.
And your blood pressure is 600 over 195.
That's impossible. I'd be dead.
Then I guess you're lucky I don't know what I'm doing.
Here, let me try.
Why the safety goggles, Sunhee?
I've had an accident or two in this classroom. You can never be too careful. Corky, on the other hand, is a natural in the lab. Ooh, that's a bit tight. Anyway, I think Corky deserves some time off. Like tonight, say, with her friends. And only her friends. Corky, I can't feel my hand. Corky. See what I mean? Goggles. Smart.
Corky, is something wrong?
Yeah, it's usually my job to mess this stuff up.
No, I'm fine. Between studying violin and memorizing pi to 300 digits, I still managed 8 hours of sleep.
And that's the kind of frighteningly healthy work ethic we instill here, Mr. Chang. Perhaps you would find that worthy of another generous donation? Being too much? Okay, being too much.
Sunhee is right.
That's the first time anyone's ever said that in this classroom.
You're working very hard, Corky, and you deserve some time off.
Yeah.
So, I will take you girls out. We can spend some quality time together.
Does that mean shopping? Somewhere expensive?
I was thinking dinner. Tonight.
Tonight. Of course, because we had nothing else to do.
Good.
Not a good day for blood pressure.
My plan is to impress Head Jung with my sketches, do a show together, then get my own line and take the fashion world by storm. Oh. Oh my gosh. Is that? It's Head Jung Co. This is it. This is my big chance. Ah! Oh, it's really you. Head Jung. I, you, me. Ah. Like you would have handled that any better.
Okay. We have our next pop-up location, so that's it. Wrap it up.
Miss Ko, I'm really inspired, and I think you're an amazing designer, and I just really... Ah! Wardrobe malfunction! A little help? Ooh, nice dress. A little help here. Help! Hello? Hello?
It's Jody. Hello?
Thank goodness I got you. I'm stuck in High Junk's pop-up store.
The connection's terrible. Hang up and call back.
No! The store is in a truck and I'm stuck in the back.
What? Where?
I don't know. The truck's moving.
How am I supposed to achieve worldwide startup with you stuck in a truck?
Your concern for my safety is heartwarming. Ooh.
Ah! I can track Jody's location using the signal from her phone.
What? Really?
My father owns the patent on a cell phone locator app.
Handy.
The podcast interview paid off. Our search hits have tripled.
What? No!
Not exactly the reaction I was expecting.
Corky's stressed. Hey, why don't you just come to Club Rai Rai, do a couple numbers with the band, and then meet up with your dad later? He never needs to know.
That way you can have it all.
And so can I. Yay me! Come on, let's go.
Caleb, can you keep my father busy for a while?
I'm not good with talking to adults. Or anyone, really.
You have to. Corky's got the whatchamacallit to track Jody so we can rescue her.
Where's Jody?
Locked up in a truck, headed for I don't know where. It's a long story. Come on, Corky.
Father.
I'm ready for your next class, Corky.
You can't come.
Why not?
Yeah, why not, Sunhee?
Because it's phys ed. No boys allowed.
So, Mr. Chang, I hear you're a billionaire. How's that working out for you?
Mr. Stark, have you finalized the cast yet?
No. In fact, I may have underestimated the scope of this show. Don't have enough actresses for all of the female roles.
Well, you know, Dennis and his little dog Toto don't sound so bad now, do they?
This way.
It's like we're in a spy movie.
Over there.
Jody, are you in there?
Yes, I've been yelling for help for over an hour. In between trying on outfits, of course.
Don't worry, we'll get you out. Get her out.
I have a cargo lock deactivator app on my phone.
Of course you do.
My father's security tech division
Owns a patent, I get it. Is there anything your father doesn't own?
this truck, apparently. Oh, wait, he owns this too.
Thanks. I saw Hejun Ko and tried to talk to her, but totally blew it. What a day.
Oh, are you kidding? You're alive.
And looking fabulous, I might add.
You should have seen outfits 1 through 12. I got some great new ideas for a band's look.
Band photo op.
Come on, let's go.
I think I should be going.
Oh, really? Sorry. Oh, it's almost time for the concert. Did efforts I must put into my job.
That seemed like you said concert and then awkwardly covered it by changing it to concerted.
No. Really? Oh!
Mr. Chang. I'm so sorry.
Everything all right, Mr. Stark?
Just in the middle of casting the school play. But I'm fine. If anyone asks, especially Ms. Diona, just tell them, I'm fine.
You seem distressed.
My casting pool is quite shallow. More of a puddle, really.
I'm thinking of taking Corky to this show. It looks good.
Top-notch talent from McKendrick Prep. Why didn't they audition for my musical? I'll tag along. Give them a piece of my mind.
Come on, we gotta get changed quick.
Give it up for XOIQ!
Can't wait for the weekend, hanging out with my girlfriends, doing things that we wanna do. Ooh, yeah. Make fun, pick the right dress, do our hair like supermodels, have some fun and just forget about school. No rules, get the party started. You know what to do. Yeah, everyone's invited. Ooh, you can come too. Yes, you can come too. Friday night, it feels alright. Let's do it again. Friday night, it feels alright. Let's do it again. Friday night, it feels alright. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Do it again. Flashing lights shining our show. People moving on the dance floor. Music takes you where you wanna go. Yeah. Don't stop dancing, can you feel that? The beat is pumping, gotta use it. It's now or never, everyone, come on. Come on. Get the party started. Oh, you know what to do. Oh, yeah, everyone's invited. Oh, you can come too. I know you want to. Friday night, it feels alright. Let's do it again. Friday night, it feels alright. Let's do it again. Friday night, it feels alright. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Do it again.
That blows all those other auditions out of the water. I mean, wow. I mean, seriously, wow.
My father saw the whole thing.
What do you think he'll do?
Probably send me home. I guess this is goodbye.
Sunhee, maybe we should go check on our hair.
What do you mean? My hair's perfect. Oh. Well, we should fix your hair. That can use some fixing for sure.
Father, let me explain. I never meant to lie to you, and I know this must be very disappointing,
That
but
was wonderful.
Excuse me?
I loved it. It's so catchy. Friday night, it feels all right. Let's do it again.
You liked it?
Yes. Yes, I did. Your mother had a great singing voice, too. She would have wanted you to follow your dreams. And so do I.
I hope things are okay with Corky and her dad. I'd hate for her to leave just as I was getting famous. Sad Sunhee moment.
Way to make it all about you.
Thank you for the words of encouragement.
Ladies, you didn't audition for the play.
We tried, but we were too late.
I'd like to consider tonight's performance your audition.
Really? You have parts for us?
Girls' roles. I don't know. We'll see. It's very competitive.
Oh, that's okay. We're really busy with the band anyway.
Wait, there's rules. There's plenty of rules.
Ha! It's about time you came to your senses.
Incoming cast list! Make way, make way.
Our first cast list and my first starring role.
Let the creativity begin.
Excuse me, coming through, star in the way.
It's just a school play.
Easy for you. For Sunhee, it's the next step on the road to world domination. My first starring role. It's a hashtag moment.
Ah, I'm the Scarecrow.
I'm gonna text Corky the list.
I'm a tree? Another tree!
I'm yellow brick number 9. I'm the lion. I'm Dorothy!
Nice!
And I'm not on the list.